Hi, welcome back to this channel once again. In today's video we're going to make these beautiful bread rolls. In our bowl we start with sugar and yeast just to check our yeast whether it is active. Cover it and wait it to rise, and as you're waiting it to rise, start mixing your dry ingredients, and that is our all-purpose flour. Sieve it because this helps to the bread to be very smooth. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon soda bicarbonate. Mix everything together as you can see in the video. Don't forget sugar, I forgot to mention them. Remember, we are making sweet bread. Add 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of water, 2 eggs and vanilla essence. Go ahead and use your spatula and mix everything together. You can decide to go on with your hands since our dough needs a lot of power. Yes, we are not using machine, of course we need our power. Add our yeast, it was active already and raised, so add it and add 2 spoons of butter. Start kneading your dough as you can see in the video. Here we need a lot of power because our dough, we need that smooth texture of the dough. Please, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel and please let me know where exactly you're watching from. As we are kneading our dough, it was already, you have to put some oil on top and cover it for 40 to 45 minutes. You can do something else as you're waiting for this. As you can see, it was raised already, soft and smooth. Now it's high time to make our bread. You can make any size of bread you want, design or anything. Remember, this dough can make donuts and bread, so here on this stage you're free to do anything as you wish. But for me this time around, I'm going to make the roll bread as you saw in the picture first, and it is so nice and sweet, guys. You can also, guys, measure these balls if you want that perfect size, but for me I'm measuring with my hands because this is my bread, of course. So if you want for the business or for selling, like, you can do anything you want at this stage, but for me I'm going to make this roll. It looks nice and cute, so you can decide what exactly you want to make. And also, if you like this as mine, you can do and follow the steps. As you can see, guys, you just roll and you seal it. So guys, I'm done. As you can see, this is the design that I chose and I think it will come out perfect. Cover this for more 10 to 15 minutes until it rises again. As you're waiting, prepare your egg yolk and add some milk. After 15 minutes, my dough raised again, my bread raised again, as you can see. Then start spreading the egg yolk, the one you prepared, as you see in the video. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friend, and please let me know where exactly you're watching from. For my return subscribers, I do really appreciate. Thanks for watching and always checking on me. After that, guys, the next step is put in oven. Make sure your oven is preheated, as you can see, and you have to bake 40 to 45 minutes. And our bread here, it looks so this is how exactly it looks. Yummy, soft, and delicious. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So you don't need to buy bread anymore for your children, for your family. Just make it yourself at home. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.